Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to safely enable shaders for any game you want. This is completely safe, requiring no downloads. However, it does require a PC. Personally, I have used this tool many different times on multiple games, and it has had a massive impact on the quality and makes it look 10 times better. Anyways, enough of the talking, let's get straight into the tutorial. Select the game you want to enable shaders for. Then right-click and click Inspect and head over to the Network tab. After that, press the refresh icon at the top left. Scroll up and find the file with your game name. Right-click the file, press Copy, then Copy as PowerShell. Now I want you to head over to the site, which is linked in the description, then paste your file into the box. Press Submit, then wait 5 to 10 minutes. After that time period has finished, press play on the Roblox game and experience the magnificent looks of shaders. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment what tool I should make next. See ya!